In this video, I'm going to show you one indicator that helps you to catch very good reversals from the trading market, and we are using this indicator in a different way. And I will tell you that how you can get rid of the fake signals because I have find something very interesting in this indicator that actually sometimes I have seen most of the time that market works different than this indicator, and I will explain you how you can utilize it in the both ways. Okay, guys, so before I jump into this video, guys, visit my website fxmentorus.com. The link is given in the description of this video below. When you visit my website, then find the banner on the website and you can just click on get started and you can open an account with the best forex and the crypto broker. Yes, guys, this is the right broker that I'm using from 2015 and never had any withdrawal problems, and this is one of the trusted and the regulated brokers. And if you want to book a 1 hour market maker session with me, and you want to book my private indicators that are listed on the website, the big players indicator and the bank indicator, then you can contact through Telegram or you can contact through email. Links are given in the description of this video. Okay, guys, so I'm going to tell you that which indicator is this and how to use this indicator. So we are going to delete this indicator, and here we are going to TradingView and we will write point and figure. Okay, and this is by the famous author Lonesome Thee, and you can see 2174 likes are already received on this indicator. Now what we do, we uncheck the labels, and this is enough for our trading setup. Okay, guys, now just look at this that how this is working. Especially I want to talk on gold, and that's what I have realized. So basically it is telling you here simple buy with rising bottom. Okay, but what actually happened, if you just look at here, if you have not bought, just look at this, how much the price action has received the downward pressure. Okay, so it means that the market went against that pattern. Okay, so again look at this simple buy with the rising bottom, and it looks like that again the price went down. Okay, okay, now this is the fine example. Okay, now this time we have the the simple buy with the rising. Yes, simply market went up, but I'm just going to show you different one. Okay, now just look at this simple buy with the rising bottom. However, the price was declined. Even if you look at this declined. So what is the benefit? For example, if you are going with to average like two trades like this, then you can see just from the 2 or 3 trades, like if you are planning a simple averaging technique and you're selling here instead of buying, then still you can make money. Okay, let me show you one more. Okay, just look, you got a simple buy but you don't have a bearish candle. Yes, the bearish candle is coming from here. Take a sell. Okay, and then take another sell. Let's say you took another sell, so 3 sells are in profit. Okay, okay, I'm not saying, because author does not say you to use it in this way, but I'm just telling you what I have found. Okay, just look at this simple sell with the declining top. So what actually happened from here, the price instead of going down, it has moved up. Okay, another profitable trade. Like if we have not sold from here and if we have bought from here, and if we kept our stop loss like this, like a small stop loss, like whatever we are making and whatever we are losing, so what's wrong in it? Definitely this is how the market works. Okay, this time they told us that simple sell with a declining top. Okay, but you still got a couple of bullish candles. So very interesting. Even if you just look at here, the next candle wick went up to here, and if you just play it like this, just below, little bit, not very close, like you cannot set up a stop loss like this, little bit far from the level, so that if it makes a couple of against candles, then it is not going to hit your stop loss. Okay, so based on my research, what I'm showing you, that most of the time, especially on gold, and let's talk about euro USD. So just look at this, what I am telling you, that when it tells you to buy, actually the market goes down, and when it tells you to sell, what is happening, this is all in front of you. Okay, and I'm just sharing this thing on my channel. Okay, just to make you think that actually this is the indicator that the market is going against it, because this is what I'm looking at. Look, sell, sell, market went up, sell, market went up. The third time the market has given a sell, you can see the market went against it. So when the market gives against it, that could be your buying that will be your opportunity. Okay, just look at this, it has told you to buy. Okay, one candle is fine, might be hitting the stop loss, but right now the reversal happened, you can see. Okay, just use your common sense that it's not important in the market that that you are going to use everything in the same way. Just look at this, another simple buy, but what happened, the market actually went down. So guys, this becomes your opportunity. Rest, this is your choice how you want to use the indicator, but I can see that reversals are coming at least. Okay, mostly on, I have shown you, like this was a sell, you can see 1 2 3 4 5, you got 5 candles from here. Okay, let me see how it performs on Bitcoin just for the test, because I have myself not seen. Okay, now the answer is in front of you. Simple buy, and that they sell, buy, you go for sell. They said sell, you go for buy, and your trading is all about it. Yes, just be careful, especially in the trending market pattern. Like you got even you got a profitable trade here, and even you got a profitable trade here, but very you need to be little bit careful when the markets are trending. Yes, if they are in between, so what could be the in between markets? So for example, let's see, yes, this is the in between market, so this is much good. Okay, now just look at this, that was a buy, and you just like here you cannot plan a single entry. You can go for the like 2 to 3 trades, like 1 2 and like 3, and your stop loss will be like yeah, just give a distance like this, like little bit far. Actually, what are you making from this trade? You need to risk the same portion. Okay, I never say to risk more and make less, no, but actually this indicator is working in this way. Even I can show you on 1 hour, might be I have not seen the 1 hour, but let's see together. Okay, rising button, yes, but reversal happened. Yes, this is your stop loss. Okay, now look at this, look at this sell, but the market went up. Okay, so let's go to gold and let's see. Okay, rising button, yes, this is hitting your stop loss. Look, this is again you're gonna make, look again you wanna sell. Okay, so look again you got a selling opportunity on the buy, selling opportunity on the buy. So guys, this could work. Just practice this thing first, and then come up with the results and comment on this video. So might be you are going to make big from this, because if you just look at this, these are the figures where it is telling you to sell, and actually market is going up. You can see sell, market went up, sell, market went up, sell. So this could be a possible hack for you. Okay, so guys, if you like this trading strategy, let me know into the comment section. Moreover, please subscribe our channel. And the second thing, if you want to get my indicator, the big players indicator, that is the very interesting indicator. Sell in the bank selling level, buy in the bank buying level. And you can see yesterday gold went up because it closes above the dotted red line. It was a buy for us, and I can show you many examples. Like it is getting a pressure from the bank buying level. It was rejected almost from the bank selling level, and you can see the USD CAD, it went up from the bank buying level. If we go for the Bitcoin, it is rejected from the bank selling and it went from the bank buying, and when it closes above the dotted red line, it's a buy signal for us. And if you want to book the lifetime version, just visit our website fxmentorus.com. Use the contact us option, go for the Telegram or email. The links are given in the description of this video. Thank you very much.